What is up, electric fam? Welcome back to the channel. On this video, we are test riding our Ariel X-Class 52 volts day number 1 out in the public, out in the wild. And when there's time, maybe we'll throttle race Crystal on her S2. Okay, what is your height? You're 5 feet, tiptoeing. And you sure you want to turn it on? Okay. So we changed the seat to the RX seat, so it's a little bit lower. It's strong. Yeah. Yep, that's her first time on the X-Class. Yeah, 5 foot tall. Just okay, I guess. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it if she's going off-roading or going on a hill of any kind, but looks like she's handling it just fine. But this is it. This is her. I dig the black and gold combination. I was under the impression that this was going to be bright yellow, but gold is nice. Black and gold. Now, the only thing I've changed on it so far was I've added an R seat from Super73. These seats are one of the most comfortable seats that I know. It's very tapered, and it's not too wide so that it's not hindering my pedaling. And it fits nice, actually. So it fits the body nice. This one, the bolts don't actually line up, so it's actually just Velcro taped for today's ride. And we're only doing a Long Beach cruise ride, and I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything aggressively on the bike, so a Velcro tape seat I think should suffice. But man, first impressions, I'm 100% sure that torque compared to this bike's torque is much better with a 35 amp controller. Stacked up against the S2, that's what it looks like. Tires are smaller, which actually makes you more nimble and gives you much better turning ratio than this guy. What else can I say about it? It is just my day 1, but it stacks up real nice in our collection. This is the fastest bike that I own in its class. A surron doesn't count. That's a motorcycle. So yeah, very happy that I ordered this bike. Very, very pleased so far for day 1. But we'll do more tests. We'll do some more range tests. We'll do some throttle tests when we can. So stay tuned for that. All right, we are at the meetup spot, and it is busy.
No, I have this.
What's up? What's up, pal?
I'm sure someone else pop up. I was gonna wear a hoodie too.
Yeah, it's warm. Who needs an Allen key? Someone? Yeah. I think I got it. What's up, man? Long time no see.
What are you saying?
You said you saw an iguana in someone's head.
Yeah, someone had an iguana on their head.
Where are they?
They were the first one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Don't make me drive there for nothing. Okay, we roll. Let's roll. This is actually maybe 40 people. So here we go. LAESK8 cruise ride. Taking over Long Beach today. What are they wearing, or what are they riding? A board. There's a board man with an iguana. Okay, that's something to see. In videos, I saw the parrot with the Super73. So now we're looking for a board man with an iguana. Okay, I'm gonna follow Mark. Alright, uphill throttle test. 24, 26, and we're blocked. I'm on a mission to find Iguana Man. So let's see where he is for content. I think Crystal's pulling my leg. I don't see anyone with an iguana. What is she talking about? We're like pretty much in the front of the pack. I don't see no iguana. Yo, AJ's everywhere. He's behind, he's ahead. Cool guy, always stopping traffic too. Crystal said there was a guy with an iguana.
Oh yeah, so
Did you see him?
yeah, before we started.
How the heck?
Yeah, it's just yeah.
I didn't see him at all.
He's on roller skates, and he just.
But he's with us?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, because I was looking for him. That guy wasn't with us, apparently.
Where?
The iguana guy. You don't have an off-road like I do. Alright, so here's the grass test. Max throttle, 3, 2, 1. Whoa. This is scary, actually. Never really know what's underneath the grass. I don't recommend it. It's hard to wheelie with a twist throttle. Look how nimble and agile these turns are. All right, we're going up the parking lot now. So this is cool too. I can stand easily. You know, some bikes I thought like the handlebars are not too low that where you can't stand comfortably. Oh, man down. Man down, I think. Looks like they're all right. Tires are grippy.
Beautiful bike, man.
Thanks. I like your lights, dude. Will's got some it's got some lights on these tires. This bike is so torquey that I don't even want to pedal. All right, and we're at the rooftop. I'm definitely changing to a thumb throttle. It's just my preference. Give it your all on this one. Yeah, let's just try. Throttle test. Just throttle. Put it all the way up. So just start stopping at the last concrete block. Okay, you're in level 4. Just throttling. Here we go. On go. Ready, set, go. Oh gosh, no way. See ya. That's the S2 for you. Wow. Forget it. Forget it. Wow. Did you see that? Not even a chance.
My feeling?
No, everything is charged all the way. Everything is charged all the way. Throttle test. Yeah, give it a try.
Go ahead.
Okay. Oh, there's kids now, man.
The razor guy.
Razor guy. Where did he come from?
Was that the race?
Yeah, but we're gonna do more. But let's do you guys want to join in? We'll do pedal and throttle in this one. Pedal and throttle, whatever, all you got. All you guys got. And then we're stopping obviously at the last pink concrete, I guess.
Second to the left.
Yeah, second to the last, start slowing down for safety.
There's no delay on that one, huh? Turn it.
There is a delay, but like even so, like against the S2s doesn't stand a chance. Okay, everything you got. Ready, on go. Ready, set, go. Yo, later, guys. Yep. All right. For the 52 volts. Did you burn out? Was that you?
We always burn out.
Oh.
If I got it on, it's
Wow. That's crazy, this bike. Here, AJ. Yeah, you guys give it a try. It's so torquey with a 35 amp. Yeah. Yeah, and there's a delay, but once it kicks in, it's like, yeah, it's amazing. No, man, this guy is the guy that convinced me to build this bike. Dude, the S2 was like, you're the last, huh?
Yeah.
Of all of us?
It is pretty turkey, right?
Yeah.
What do you mean by that delay?
There's a delay, but like, it's like, once it hears it, it's like, okay.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Comfortable too, man.
Well, because I put the R seat.
Oh, did you?
It's awesome, like, just full throttle, I'm getting like 34, 35 miles per hour.
Wow. Yeah, I've only been like 31, 32 on those.
Really? I thought those are the ones that are also advertised that.
They're supposed to, you know, maybe I need to put more air in the tires, but...
Huh. Yo, this bike is so fun. So much of a blast, this bike. Did Crystal go already? Yeah, I guess she did. Here comes the fast guys. Here we go. You know, the Super73, I don't get scared. But with this bike, I actually get scared. Because of the initial jerk. It's very jerky. And also because I want to just lean and just really test how far I can go, you know? Just throttling on level 5. This bike goes up to 35 miles per hour. So that's amazing. And that's enough for me. Man, I'm very fortunate that I got to test all the bikes that I wanted to try this year. All the bikes that I wanted to have in 2021. We had the opportunity to own all 3 of them. And I'm still going to determine which one I'm selling. I was actually going to cancel this bike already. And I'm glad I didn't cancel this bike because it's now my fastest bike in comparison to the S2, the Super73s, and probably the Bafang BBSHD that we built as well. The last time we did a video, we were trying to determine which bike we were going to justify to to buy in 2021. The option was this Ariel Rider X-Class 52 volts, a surron X 260, and the build myself DIY custom build BBSHD 1000 watt to 1500 watt. And man, now that I've tried all 3 of them, I still actually, you know, each has its own application, but I love all 3 of them in their own way. That felt weird. Here we go. I guess it's photo time. All right. Well, folks, that's the first half of the ride. If you eat, sleep, e-bike, kindly like and subscribe for more content. This is Julian signing out, and see you guys next time. One other note, if you're looking to buy an Ariel Rider or a Bafang BBSHD or a Super73, check out the affiliate links that I have below for additional discounts.